So here is my new liquid eyeliner. It's by Ico, and I love their tagline, when in doubt, wing it out. So I wanted to do liquid eyeliner, you know, to make that really glamorous effect on your eyes. And I'd heard about this eyeliner from a friend, and she said it was so easy to use and to get a really straight line, because it can be quite difficult, can't it, to put liquid eyeliner on and make it straight. So at the minute I've got my normal pencil, and I'm going to go over the top of it now with this to show you how easy it is to go on. It's not the first time I've used this. I used this last night as well, so I know how good it is. I'm just going to go over my pencil liner. You can see I'm going to get in really nice and close for you. You can't really go wrong with this. It's really precise, which is what I love. I find that some liquid eyeliners, where they're so liquidy, it's so easy to go wrong and like smudge the line. This is really foolproof. You just can't smudge it. Because it's like a felt tip, it literally makes the perfect wing. Look, you can see the comparison. That's my pencil looking all choppy and not very nice. And then you get this liquid eyeliner. Just goes on so easily. Don't know if you're meant to shake it. I don't think you are. I find that sometimes if you put it on sideways, you can be really precise about the line. But the wings are really easy to do with this. Look at that. It's really cool, isn't it? I'll do the other eye quickly. But it's really good for party makeup. If you're going out for the evening and you just want to look a bit glam and put on some wings. Sounds funny, doesn't it? Put on some wings, but it's true. Get your wings on, not your bingo wings. Yeah, so definitely think it looks glam. I'm really pleased with it. So it's Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black, which is by Ico. It's cool.